One of the things that I hear is whilst customers are running SAP at the heart of their business, when it comes to reporting, be it analytical, be it operational, they'll probably require data from SAP systems and non-SAP systems as well. Often we also see that they're running enterprise data warehousing applications, data lakes as well. So it's clear to me that there's a broader data management challenge that they're experiencing, and it would be good to have your thoughts on that.
And there's a number of ways in which you could solve such problems. So if you look at S/4HANA, you've got operational analytics within S/4HANA, and that's similar to other application systems like SuccessFactors as well. A lot of the operational needs are met through pre-delivered embedded analytics. Now, if you wanted to extend such reporting with some custom KPIs, or if you wanted to do operational analytics out of additional transactional systems, you could use, let's say, SAP Analytics Cloud for such reporting needs. So SAP Analytics Cloud is where you could connect to both SAP systems and non-SAP systems, and brings together both BI, planning and predictive analytics all under the same roof.
So if we're looking at embedded analytics, right, in each of the tools, we've got the capability to extend them to a degree inside the product, be it, like you say, be it S/4HANA or be it SuccessFactors or whatever. We've got those things in there, but if we want to do something more complex, or we want to do something that straddles multiple data sources, that's when SAP's new Analytics Cloud platform, right? Okay.
So in addition to that, I would say that we also have situations where you also require data from non-SAP systems that you want to age in a certain way or store data for a period of time, and in those situations I feel like the enterprise data warehousing application use case is very much still relevant.
Pretty much, yes. And that's why when you have to do harmonizing of data, stores historical information, BW for HANA from SAP, which is the latest version of BW, comes into play. And that's BW for HANA can work with both SAP datasets as well as non-SAP datasets.
So what about customers that have a requirement for information in real time?
So BW for HANA does have capabilities for bringing data real time. So there are technologies out there called smart data integration, smart replication servers, and not to forget, HANA comes with a very strong data virtualization capability. So where you can leave the data where it is, and only when required, you bring that into the HANA data layer to run reporting on.
So what we're saying is we can leave some data where it exists in the application and surface it within business processes. We can, if we want to do more complex analytics, we can use something like Analytics Cloud as a BI platform that sits above that, maybe still leaving the data where it is. If we want to build analytics that straddle multiple data sources, we may be able to do that in the same way, or we may need to be able to store it and consolidate it in like a data warehouse. But that gets really complicated, right? So is there any way that we can sort of manage all of those different data flows and how they all fit together?
So SAP have got this great product called SAP Data Hub, using which you could pretty much leave where the data belongs, create data pipelines within your enterprise network, and almost use Data Hub as a metadata layer. So you could create a metadata virtual layer and then use that to orchestrate data movement between all of these systems. So the essence of that is you're tapping into the data silos and generating insights for data across all your enterprise systems.
Okay, so that's what people talk about, data fabric, right?
Right, yeah. I mean, what's evident to me from this conversation is there's so many different permutations of this challenge, but what we absolutely have with the SAP product portfolio that we've gone through is technology to really address this challenge.
Absolutely.
So lots of options.
Yes.
No right way, no wrong way, just different ways of looking at the problem, right? A new technology that can potentially really help us.